How to easily recover Epic Games account. So first, just open up Epic Games website on your browser. Then just simply click on the sign in option right there. Once you're here on the sign in section, now once you're here, just simply click on anything that is linked to your account or email that was used on Epic Games. So let's say I was using my Gmail account. Now I'm just going to try to click on Gmail right here and link it right there. And once I've picked my email, it will automatically redirect me right here, where I could put my password right there. So I'm just going to simply input my password. Once that's done, I'm just going to simply click on sign in. Then wait for it to load. And as you can see, your Google account is now connected to your Epic Games account. Click on continue. Now mine just went straight to the website since Epic Games already recognizes my device, but let's say your account has been hacked or you haven't used your account for a long time, this will probably pop up on your screen where it will send a security code. And there are ways to, of course, get the 2FA code. You could also send it to your phone or authenticator app, or there's also a way to send it to your email. So let's say you've lost your phone or your phone number and you want to retrieve your account, you can just simply send it to the email that is linked. Or if you lost your email account, you can just simply send it to the phone that was linked on Epic Games. And if for some reason that you really can't log into your account, the best way or the last thing that you can do is just simply contact Epic Games. So just simply go to the Epic Games website and go to help. Then just simply click on contact us right here at the bottom. Now you could just simply go here, click on the platform that you're using. This is just optional. You don't need to put that, but of course it could help. So just simply click on the device that you're using, then click on accounts right here. And contact reason. So click on your Epic account and describe your problem. Let's say you forgot your email or your password, or you can't recover your Epic Games account. Just simply describe your problem there. You could also pick a file, let's say a picture, that could support your problem right here. And just simply click on submit an email request and wait for Epic Games to get back to you for a few hours or even a few days. And that's how you basically recover your Epic Games account.